Alright, let's read the question first. PV curve shows a constant mass of an ideal gas undergoing a thermodynamic process from N to L in two parts via K and M. The gas absorbs 8 joules heat from N to K. Adiabatic work of 3 joule is done from K to L. Gas does work of 1 joule from N to M. When the thermodynamic process happens from N to L via M, we need to find the total heat absorbed. Right. So when we are doing this question, we need basically one equation, delta Q equals delta U plus delta W equation. This equation here, delta Q is the total heat absorbed or liberated, and delta U, this is the change in internal energy or the change in temperature. If there's a change in temperature, internal energy is changed. This is an energy. Delta W, this is the work done, volume change. Delta U is the temperature change, and delta W we can take it as volume change, work done by the gas. Right. Let's get into the question now. Initially, they are saying the gas absorbs 8 joules heat from N to K. So we can see N to K, there's no change in volume. That means total energy is absorbed for internal energy change. So at K, we can assume total internal energy change is 8 joules. Right. Then K to L, they are saying adiabatic work of 3 joules of work done. In adiabatic work, we know delta Q is 0. Then if heat exchange from the environment or the external environment is 0, so to do the work, internal energy has to be used. So 3 joules will have to be subtracted from internal energy. Then the total internal energy change up to L, we can take it as 8 minus 3, 5 joules. So we can assume N to L delta U is 5 joules. Right. In the question, they're asking us to find N to L via M total energy absorbed. So in the data they are giving us, gas does work of 1 joule. 1 joule work is done N to M. N to M, only 1 joule is required as work. We know N to L in this path, NML path, we need 5 joules of internal energy change. So M to L, the internal no work is done. You can see there's no change in volume. So we can assume M to L only internal energy is changed. For that we need 5 joules. Total internal energy change from N to L is 5 joules. And work done from N to M it's 1 joule. So totally 5 plus 1, yes, 6 joules that is absorbed. So we can take second answer, 6 joules of heat is absorbed from N to NML path. Right. If you think you are not familiar with these type of questions, you know what you have to do. You have to find similar type of questions, at least 10 to 15 questions. Try and make yourself comfortable with these type of questions, because there is exactly one question in our paper, PV graph or related to PV diagram. So you have to try these type of questions. All right. If you think these questions are helpful, yes, share it with your friends, study together and win together.